How to recover a disabled Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can recover a disabled Instagram account. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. First of all, open a browser in your device. Here I'll just open a Chrome application, and here in the search bar you have to type in Meta Help Center. Now go to the first link, that is www.meta.com. Once you're here, tap on search help articles and search for I can't log into my account. Now once you have searched for it, you will get 3 more options. From there you have to choose the second option, that is I can't log into my Instagram account. Now you will be taken into next page. Here scroll down a bit, and under username and password you will have more options. So from there you have to choose the first option that says recover your Instagram password. Now here scroll down a bit, and under the section that is recover your Instagram password, there is a small option with was this helpful. So from there tap on no. Again you will have more options, then choose the second one, which is the solution does not work. Now you have to tell us about your issue. So here I prepare an article saying that your account has been disabled and provide all the reasons why your account was disabled, and at last make sure to provide your credentials such as your username, your email and your phone number, and at last you can write a message saying that we'll be highly grateful if the solution is solved. Once that, tap on submit. Now your request or your issue is submitted to the Instagram Help Center, and then the Instagram Help Center will recover will review your issue and will get back to you. So once you have submitted your issue to Instagram Help Center, tap on this visit this page link at the top of this text box. Now here again you can request to Instagram support. There you have to choose my Instagram was disabled, then tap on next. Now you have to enter your username, phone number or email so the Instagram can identify your account. Here simply type in your username, email or your phone number, then tap on next, and with that you have submitted a request to Instagram Help Center, and Instagram will get back to you in order to recover your disabled account. So you have to wait until you get a notification or email from the Instagram with an instructions to recover your account. So that was the way to recover a disabled Instagram account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.